A little bit warm, isn't it?
It's toasty.
Good morning, everyone. I've had a nice, relaxing morning. He said good morning. I've had a nice, relaxing morning. It's a little bit late. It's about 11 o'clock. We are on our way to take a few things back to Next. I've got a couple of returns I need to make, and we need to go to Home Bargains because you need stuff. And I need some Vanish White for the whites in the washing machine, and I need some moisturiser, so I'm going to get that from Home Bargains as well. Weather isn't as warm today. I've got the air conditioning on. It's 22 degrees. Turned into a little weather woman. It's 22 degrees, but it's been raining this morning, hasn't it?
Yeah, it was teeming down at 6. Like torrential.
It was, but it's not warm enough to have to put a not warm enough. It's not cold enough to have to put a cardigan on or anything like that. So happy about that. Sun shining. Just puts you in a good mood, doesn't it? It does.
Sure does.
What do you need from Home Bargains?
I need some energy drinks for work because you know how dear stuff is.
Yeah. So you know how dear them sugar-free Red Bulls are? Is it now Monster? Sugar-free Monster?
How much are you paying?
I'm not paying, you're paying.
No, but how much you been paying?
£5.
For 4?
Yeah.
Do you know how much I pay in the shop for one?
How much?
£2.15.
Oh my god, more fool you.
Yeah.
More fool you.
£2.15, that's why I'm getting them in.
They're bad for you though, you know. They really, really are.
No, I know they are.
They are, they're bad for you.
Everything's bad for you.
Everything's good in small doses. Nothing's bad for you in moderation.
But yeah, I need to get them. Need some moisturiser for my tattoos.
I sneaked a little bit of it because I've run out.
Did you?
Yeah. With the Vaseline cocoa one.
Yeah. I need some moisturiser, see what else I can get, and then I need to go to Sainsbury's and get some pens for work.
Oh yeah, markers. Can you not get them from Home Bargains?
No, I only like the Sainsbury's ones.
Oh.
It's £1 for 2. These like chunky style ones.
It's like permanent markers, isn't it?
Yeah. But they last. Sharpies only last you a week.
Yeah.
They last you like 2 or 3 weeks. The Sainsbury's ones for cheaper. So
get a few packs then while you're in there and you've got them then.
Oh, why?
Yes.
I feel quite tired though, to be fair.
I do, but it's early rise. Well, you were up early because you'd seen Elle off to work, didn't you?
I was in work today.
So what time did you get off?
Quarter to 7.
Yeah. Oh, that's late.
Straight to gym.
Mind you, that's probably why you feel tired. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Yeah, it is Thursday. I've been up nice and early, got myself washed and dressed and cleaned up again. I feel like every single day I have to get into this routine of making my house look pristinely clean and tidy, and I don't know why I feel like everything has to be perfect for a house viewing, because if I'm going to view a house, I don't care what it looks like. Like, I can use my mind's eye and use my imagination to see what a room will look like, but I know not everybody has that, so I try to make the house look all nice and tidy. I've got a viewing in about 45 minutes and I'm just going to show you how tidy my house is. And I would love to know, when you're viewing a property, do you love it to be, you know, all nice and clean and organised, or are you like me and you're not bothered? You know, however you want to present your house of viewing is absolutely fine by me. But when it comes to me showing my house, I'm like, I've got to put everything away and be all organised, and it's not really how I live. Like, currently my house doesn't even look lived in. My bedroom never looks this tidy, ever. I've made all the bed nice, I've polished everywhere, I've cleaned the shutters, I've got the windows open because it's a lovely day. And then as we come out, the office is nice and tidy. Well, it's as tidy as it can be because, you know, obviously I sit here and work. It's a little bit crammed because my orchid is having to live here at the moment because I've got nowhere for it, and this orchid too. But when we move, I will find a nice home for them. I've got the wardrobes, and then as we come out, the bathroom is all nice and clean, but everywhere is so tidy. And then as we come downstairs, like, my hall never looks like this. There's always loads of shoes, Lee's work shoes, Lee's work boots, but everywhere is so tidy. I honestly, I walk in and I'm like, is this my house? There's nothing I can do about the boxes of wax here, but the utility is spotless. I need to put these in the loft because they're a little bit in the way, but nice and tidy. And then we go the dining room again, nothing out of place. Like, whose house even is this? Everywhere is so tidy. And I was considering moving these, but I thought, you know what, just leave them there. Kitchen is lovely and tidy. I've got the windows open because it's a gorgeous day. Is this our house now? It doesn't feel like our house, does it? No, Mum, it's too tidy. And I've took the covers off the garden set outside as well. I'm going to make myself some spaghetti hoops on toast. I'm not going to bore you with any of it, but I go to London next week for the Balsam Hill event, and I need your help on deciding what to wear, because if you know anything at all about me, I'm not like a fancy pants. I don't like getting dressed up. Give me comfort over fashion any day, as long as I'm comfortable. But I've bought a new black dress which looks extra comfortable, and I'll take it upstairs in a sec and show you after I've had my spaghetti hoops on toast. But I've bought a dress, and I've also got a lace cami to go with a pair of wide leg trousers and a couple of other little bits. So we'll go upstairs and you can help me decide what to wear in London, because I just want to be comfortable. So this is the dress. I haven't taken the label off it yet because I'm just not sure how I feel about it, but one little added bonus is it's got pockets, and I do love a dress with pockets. I have dug out my little Old Faithful denim jacket, and I just think over it for a nice casual look may look nice, or keeping the denim jacket out as well, because I definitely will take that because it's just nice and comfy and cool. Then I've got this cami, a green vest and a pair of wide leg trousers. Let me just get it. I can either go green vest, black wide leg trousers, or black cami, black wide leg trousers and the denim jacket, but let's just try them on and see what we think. I'll do the black trousers and black cami first. So this is the first outfit. This is the wide leg trousers from Zara, which they're old. They're probably about two years old maybe. I've got the little black cami on and I've tucked it in. It looks almost like a maxi dress. I mean, these trousers, they are so forgiving if you're feeling a little bit bloated. They're the ideal outfit to wear when you just want to feel comfortable. So I could pop on either some sandals or some Birkenstocks. So I can either go for extra comfort of the Birkenstock or go for the sandal. I feel like neither of those go, because you can see the white on these sandals too much when I walk. Although these are a longer length, I'd prefer it if you couldn't see. I would prefer it if you couldn't see my sandals. I've got black leather flip-flops in the loft, so I think I'm going to go and get those out. But I'm going to pop the denim jacket on and just look at the state of my hair. So I've put my top on. I'm going to pop the denim jacket on and we'll see what that looks like, just because I don't want to look too dressy. Now I feel like the denim jacket makes it look nowhere near as dressy, and it's dressed it down quite a bit. I will get leather sandals out of the loft because I just don't want to wear these, but I feel like this has dressed it down a lot, although the cami that I'm wearing has like a lace detail. So I'm going to swap it out for the green vest and see what we think of that. They are like polar opposites. As soon as I've taken off the black cami, I feel like the trousers now look too dressy. Now I have got black linen wide leg trousers, so I'm half tempted to get those out. Let's throw the denim jacket on and just see, because I don't like how this is like crumpling up halfway around. Let's see. I don't know. I feel like the trousers are coming off a little bit like a skirt. I love these trousers as well, but I feel like they're coming off a bit like a skirt and maybe just a little bit too dressy for the denim jacket. So I think I'm gonna dig out my wide leg linen trousers, which may be a little bit better. Let's try the dress on anyway. I've just been laughing to myself because I love this dress, but look how it's sticking out. I look like little Bo Peep. All I need is one of those umbrellas with a little curly handle. I love this dress. It is so comfortable, but I feel like I should have sized down. I got a UK size 10 in this, and I feel like it does have a little bit of extra room in it. But I suppose once you've eaten and you've got full, it will be perfect. But I just don't like how it's sticking out. I definitely feel like a little Bo Peep. I think I'd have to try and iron it that way so it's a little bit more flat. But oh, this is so comfortable. Let's just pop some sandals on. What are we thinking? I think I really love this, you know. This just feels like I'm wearing nothing. I feel like I had eat a roast dinner and you'd never even know. Let me pop the jacket on. For me, I think this outfit wins with a little handbag. It's nice and comfy and casual. The dress part may be a little tiny bit see-through, but I suppose if you put a pair of cycling shorts underneath it, it really wouldn't matter. But I think this is what I'm going to wear for London because it's just extra comfortable. I just need to fix this. I feel like I'm wearing a wedding dress. Oh gosh. Do you know what I might do? I might actually wash this dress just to see if it's not as sticky out. And if I'm too warm, I can just take it off. I'll put some nice jewellery on. I just wish this was, I'll show you. I wish this part of the dress didn't have as much fabric. Maybe that much would have been perfect. But we've got some extra fabric. What degrees is it?
20, I think.
It's not that warm. It's 19 degrees, you're right. It only took me half an hour to find it, like. But we are nipping to Marks's because I need to go and pick some bread and butter up and cheese for your carry out. I did tell everybody in the video uploaded on Monday about our little podcast that we created.
That failed.
Failed miserably. You messed the camera up and then you were twiddling with the wire on the mic. I hadn't plugged the laptop in on charge. So are we going to create another one or?
Yeah, can do.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were going to say, Mum, that is redundant.
No. But let me set it all up though and make sure everything's on charge. Yeah,
but if you set it up then the chances are the camera will be too dark, like it was last time.
Too dark?
The front camera was too dark. You'd altered the settings on the front one.
Yeah, but when we were trying to set it up, it was blown out. The white was blown out.
Well, that's the way I always film on my cameras. I never change the settings. You change the settings. So, we'll set it up. But do you think you use the microphones or not?
Whatever.
Or just like set the camera up?
Did you?
You were twiddling with the wire, so literally the 10 minutes that we had, we couldn't have even used it anyway because you were pulling the wire and it was like making a weird sound through the mic, but it was funny, wasn't it, when we created it? Yeah. Couldn't have even used the audio because the audio...
Shop. Got a new shop open by us.
And, oh, so we have something official.
Huh?
Oh. Well, it won't be by us soon because I've spoken today in this vlog about us having the house up for sale.
Yeah, fingers crossed.
Hopefully, hopefully. Traffic warden's all police then.
nice waiting at a bus stop.
Was it?
Waiting to get on the bus.
I bet you they get on the bus for free as well. I bet you they don't have to pay. They don't have to pay a penny. They can just walk on the bus and go, afternoon bus driver, and they go, oh, afternoon, please have a seat. You don't have to pay to get on the bus. Right, let's get your cheese. You can get the big butter for £3.75 or £1.90. So let's have a little look, because I usually get 2 blocks, and that is 500 gram, and that's £2.50. £3.80, you're saving 5 pence. I might as well know. It's not worth saving 5 pence. I'll get 2 and then 1 can stay fresh. Go on. It's a nightmare to scan, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, you're better than I am.
I've worked in the supermarket for 5 years.
I'm back from Marks's and I got tea bags, a white loaf and a brown loaf, some cheese for Ollie's carry-out, a bag of extra mature cheddar cheese, some deli coleslaw and crusty cobs, because that's what I'm going to do for tonight with tea. We'll have crusty cobs with ham and coleslaw and chips and some butter, and then I nipped into Aldi and got some washing up liquids. I just love this from the Aldi and it lasts really well. I hope I got the right one. No, I didn't. I've definitely not got the right one. What one do I usually get? I get confused every time I go in there. That's the one that I usually buy. Original. Ah. Premium Magnum, but they're definitely different because that's more blue and that's green and they smell different, but they'll do the job anyway.